diligence, you can achieve the goal. Well, this is very true with our next guest of honor, Dr. M. Subramaniam. We're extremely happy to have you here, sir. We are waiting for your message for this valedictory.
Off the dais, our distinguished resource personnel, beloved students, media friends, and the very important, the Center for Contemporary Studies office bearers. I have the same complaint what Ravi had made about our ADG, Sir has covered everything. And all the practical aspects, things I was telling sir, you are really frank. Like, a lot of internal matters also sir had disclosed to us. Having said that, I should not have the complaint because I had an occasion to speak to, I think most of the audience were here when we had a session on, technical session on port and shipping. But I just would like to highlight a few things. First and foremost, I'm very happy for including customs in this. I still believe, I get disheartened when people still think customs is equated to clearance of the passengers. Believe me, like airport revenue is not at all, we don't consider it as a revenue. It's more of a deterrent. It's more of a security role, more of enforcing the contraventions, whatever have been there. And 99%, 99.99% of our revenue is only from the seaport. We have lakhs of containers and consignments to be cleared. So I'm so happy like you made it the part of it, which has been the international trend too. Customs is coming up, World Customs Organization is coming up, a lot of protocols. How being a border agency, coming in touch with both the persons and cargo for the first time, the moment they come to the land mass, there are a lot of responsibilities attached to the customs organization, how one has to deal with it. So there are a lot of protocols which have been having, and a lot of pilot projects are taking place, and a lot of operations are taking place in various countries. The experience is being shared with other member countries of the World Customs Organization, which are almost 170 countries which are the members of it. A few things I thought I'll just highlight it. As I just mentioned, we have legitimate trade and illegitimate trade. We just have to facilitate a legitimate trade to be cleared expeditiously across the border. The illegitimate trade, what we used to visualize now we are transforming the term to unsafe trade, getting the security angles into the trade. When I say this, we have the systems of risk management system all over the world we have. We can't keep on giving the same emphasis in all types of business processes. We just have to see which is the safe trade, which is the compliant assessee, whose consignment cleared fast without any regular customs processes. What are the regular customs processes? Number one, assessment, and number two, examination. 90% of the, or for Mangalore Port,